In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana integration in Slack with this quick tutorial. Whether you're managing projects, tasks, or collaborating with a team, integrating Asana with Slack can streamline your workflow by keeping all your communications and task updates in one place. Let's dive into how you can set this up smoothly. First things first, make sure you head over to Slack. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to slack.com. Once you're there, you'll spot the button that says Launch Slack. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're using Slack for the first time today in your browser, you'll likely see an option that says Use Slack in your browser. This is really handy if you don't want to download any additional software or if you're using a device where you haven't installed Slack yet. Click on that option to proceed. Once you're in Slack, you'll need to click on More. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your Slack interface. Clicking this will open up a menu with several options aimed at helping you get more out of your Slack experience. From this menu, the next stop is Tools. Clicking on Tools will give you access to various options, but what we're interested in is the Integrations section. You should now see an option called All Connectors. This is where Slack houses all its potential integrations with third-party apps. Scroll through until you find Asana. Asana is a project management tool that allows you to organize and track your work. Adding it to Slack means you won't miss a beat on your tasks, even while communicating with your team. Click on Asana when you find it. Once you have clicked on Asana, you might be prompted to authorize the integration, especially if it's your first time setting it up. This step ensures that Asana can send notifications to your Slack channels or direct messages, keeping everyone informed without the need to switch back and forth between apps. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. With that done, you now have Asana perfectly integrated into your Slack workspace. What this means is that you can get updates straight into your Slack channels, create tasks, and more, all without leaving your Slack interface. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Asana into Slack, a move that's sure to enhance your productivity and keep you on track with your projects. In our next video, we'll explore some tips on how to effectively manage tasks in Asana once integrated with Slack. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task managing!